Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Pamela, and if you're new here, this channel is all about natural hair, skincare, lifestyle, and every other thing in between. Today's video, I am going to be explaining how you can layer your skincare products because I also got like really confused when I started my skincare journey like 6 months ago. So I started this whole skincare Sunday to help beginners just like myself. So the first thing you're going to be needing is your cleanser, but there's a stage called double cleansing. So what double cleansing basically does is to remove like makeup, excess oils on your face. I'm going to insert a product picture on the screen so you can know an example of a double cleanser. And one product that they mainly use for double cleansing is micellar water, but at the moment I do not have micellar water, so sometimes I use wipes. Yes, I know a lot of people say don't use wipes, don't use wipes. I personally use wipes and it doesn't have like any adverse effect on my skin, but I make sure that the type of wipes I use contains like aloe vera because that's like a staple in my skincare routine. So for your cleanser, I personally use two cleansers currently. I use this facial gel. This consistency of this is really nice. I love like how it feels on my face, and I also use one of the popular brands, Simple. This is like my best cleanser. Like a little goes a long way, and one thing about Simple is that it is relatively cheap. If you want me to make a video of affordable skincare products under 20k just for you, let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, this is the cleanser I use. It contains vitamin B5, vitamin E with pro amino acid. Another thing, I might be looking down because the products are on my lap. Another thing is this is another product of the Simple. So there are different like varieties of the Simple brand. So basically this is mine and this is the one my cousin currently uses, and it worked perfectly for acne skin. So you just have to know which one you really want. This one is a purifying facial wash, while mine is a refreshing facial one. Another product that I think you might need to add to your routine before you get to the next stage is this charcoal mask. So basically what it does is to remove excess oil. It's almost similar to waxing, but it is not waxing. So you're going to apply it on the area that maybe you have excess oil, for instance your T-zone, your nose, this area, your cheek, and this lower part. If you want to see a detailed review on this particular product, I'm going to leave a picture on the screen and a link in the description box down below. That was Skincare Sunday 6, episode 6. I did a detailed review about this product. The next product you're going to be needing is your toner. So basically a toner helps you to like remove any excess like impurity that you might still have on your face, because sometimes I wash my face with my cleanser and I still notice that my face still has a bit of a some dirt. So like this is the toner I use. It is from Swiss Image and it is a soothing cleansing toner. So your toner varies. My cousin uses the Simple Soothing Facial Toner, while this is a cleansing toner. So this basically cleanses your face, while this like you just spray it on your face and you leave it on for some minutes, and you will need to use like a cotton pad or a cotton wool. So these are the two toners that I like. I use this, my cousin uses this, and it works very well for us. And one thing about the toner that it has really helped with my acne, especially around this area. This part was like much more darker. Like if you knew me like 6 months ago, my skin is evening out a bit, so that is one of the reasons why you actually need your skincare routine. So a toner is very important. Then which is your serums. The serums are like really important, especially if you have skincare issues, but you need to be very careful of the serums that you buy. My cousin uses this serum and it is from the Creatines like brand. It is a salicylic acid intense serum, 2%. Serum cleared her skin. When I mean it's cleared her skin, but one thing about the serum is that once she stopped using it, like it started like coming back once again. I guess she was not done with the whole purging process before it came to an end, so she will be getting another one. But personally, the serum I use is the Dr. Rashel vitamin C serum. I have actually not seen any significant like difference since when I started using this serum, but I use another serum with it. It is also from the Swiss Image brand. This is what the other serum I use looks like. It actually helped me to clear like my acne. It is an absolute radiant serum and it works well for my acne skin. This has really worked its magic, and I'm almost like done with it. So I combined the Dr. Rachel with this. I don't use them on the same day. I use this like 2 times a week or sometimes 3 times, where I use this like maybe 3 times also. The consistency of this If you want to see detailed review about this product, just let me know in the comment section down below so you know whether you should get it or not. So these are my own two serums, while my cousin uses this particular serum. And one thing you also need to know is that before you introduce a serum into your routine, I will advise that you get like a consultation with an expert. It specify the types of serum that you should get. You will not want a situation whereby you try a serum that is going to worsen your situation. You will not want that. So please ensure that you meet an expert before you get any product. I am not an expert. These are just the products that work for me that I'm sharing with you so you can understand like the steps. So once now that we're done with serum, some people go in with like actives, but currently I do not introduce any active into my routine because I'm really scared of purging. So the term purging means like when you use a particular serum or you use a particular active on your face and it has to go bad before it actually goes good. I don't think I'm ready for that type of experience, so I'm just going to stick with getting products that will help me even out like my skin tone, and I'm good to go. So the fourth product that you're going to be using is your moisturizer. For your moisturizer, I currently own two moisturizers, and one of it is actually very popular, which is the aloe vera like moisturizer. I use this like once a week. I really love the way it has like this soothing effect, and I use it mainly at night because most times like I don't know, and it also depends on your type of skin. Some people are allergic to aloe vera, so make sure you do a patch test before you actually start using any of your products. So you can do a patch test around your arm or maybe somewhere in your skin that someone will not see. If you do a patch test, I currently use aloe vera even on my hair and I moisturizer on my skin, and I have no issues. So let me just show you what's like the inside looks like. It's kind of has like this gel feel. It's really nice and it actually doesn't smell bad. Like the smell is okay. Then the main moisturizer I use in my routine is the Swiss Image like moisturizer. I love the consistency of this moisturizer, and it is a face and body moisturizer, but I only use it for my face because I want like it to last a long time. It works so well for my skin. My skin now looks like this because I used only the moisturizer. I didn't add any other thing to my skin. No foundation, no powder, nothing. This is just my face with this moisturizer. So you know you need your moisturizer in your routine. It is very important. You can get like the simple moisturizer because it's actually affordable, but if not, you can just like get any other moisturizer you feel will work best for you. So these are the two moisturizers in my routine, and they really do the work for me. This is like my favorite part of my entire skincare like routine, applying my moisturizers. I really love it. The semi-final step, which is lip care. So personally, I just recently got into like lip care. Personally, I just got like into loving glosses. Previously I just used to use like maybe Vaseline on my lips, but I recently got a gloss from one of my friends, and this is what the gloss looks like. You can actually like buy lip scrubs and do the whole lip scrub thing, but most times I notice that when I just like apply it, that's all. Like it doesn't even have like coloring. This is my natural lips. As pink as it is, this is how my natural lips looks like. If you want like a video on how I maintain my lips or products you can use to achieve this type of lips at home without bleaching it, let me know in the comment section down below. So your lip moisturizer or lip balm is really important. Then the final step in your routine is your sunscreen. That you're a black lady, black woman, black man, black boy doesn't mean you do not need a sunscreen. You need to get a sunscreen in your skincare routine. It is very important because you do not want to apply all these products then expose yourself to the sun. It will almost be like you are frying your skin basically, which worsens the situation. So you need a sunscreen. Sunscreen I currently use is this sunscreen. It is called a Banana Boat Ultra Protect Sunscreen Lotion SPF 50 PA+++. I love the sunscreen because it dissolves into my skin, and it is also containing aloe vera. If you want a detailed review on this sunscreen, just let me know. And if you also want like suggestions on sunscreens you can try out, let me know. I'm going to do that video just for you. So that's basically all on how to layer your product. You go from your cleanser to your toner to your serum or active to your moisturizer to your lip care and to your sunscreen. It is very important that you do not mix up layering routines so you can get like the best of your product. Another thing to notice is that you're not going to see results from your product from using it in 1 month. these products are not magic. You need to use this for like at least 3 to 6 months before you see any significant results. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on any other like topic you want me to talk about on skincare, or any recommendation that you're interested in. Just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you are yet to subscribe, ensure you hit on that big red subscribe button. It is completely and totally free. Ensure to also share this video with your friends, and I will see you in my next skincare Sunday. Bye guys.